Hey everyone, Jeff here, and today's fat loss hack is use a meal prep service. I know what you're thinking. You're saying, Jeff, that's way over my budget. But let me tell you, you might want to do an audit of eating out at restaurants and fast food. I actually saved money. Now, there are a ton of advantages of doing the meal prep service. Number one, you save lots of time. In addition to saving time, you can also select the exact macros you need for you. However, the most important part when it comes to fat loss, you get the perfect amount. And that is key if you're trying to lose fat. In the description, I give you 4 different places in Little Rock that does meal prep. Check them out, do your budget, see what you can do.